Welcome to Millennium Computer's fast online tutorials for finance reporting. In this tutorial, you will learn about documents in the Fast Finance application. Some of the items I will be discussing are how to quickly view document details without drilling down in an operating statement or balance sheet, how to find documents that already have files attached, and how to attach a file to a document. Document lookup is the first item we are going to discuss. With this option, you can look up document details very quickly. Select Document Lookup from the option list and click Enter. Type the document numbers you want to look up. If you enter more than one document number, use a semicolon to separate them. If you want to remove the document numbers, just click Clear Form. Click the Submit button. Some of the documents you entered have more than one line. If you look over to the right, you will see that those lines have different accounting codes. Click the document number to view details for that transaction. As you can see, this is a quick way to list document details. You may wish to do it this way instead of drilling down through the operating statement or balance sheet. We are back to the page with the list of documents, and now I'm going to show you how to navigate around the page and make it look a little bit different. You can sort the list of documents by any column heading with the exception of the debit and credit columns. Note now that all documents are grouped together. You can also change the way the documents are displayed on the page. There are 192 records, and with 20 records per page, there are a total of 10 pages. You can change how many records to display on the page, and by changing the records per page to 50, you can see more records at one time. This is very useful if you have a larger monitor on your desk. The list is longer and the amount of pages is now only 4. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will change the records per page back to 20. At the bottom of the page, you can view the previous or the next set of records. You can also show all of the records on the page at once. Another quick option on the Finance menu is the ability to find documents that have files attached to them. From the Options list, select Document Management and click Enter. Type the document number and click Go. All files attached to this document are listed. At this point, we will return to the menu and I will show you how to actually attach a file to a document. You can attach files to make sure important information is available with the document. In the option list, find and click Document Management. Please note that you must be assigned specific roles for this option to be on the menu in your user account. I'll explain more about that in a minute. You should have on hand the document number you want to find. This icon with a green plus sign beside what looks like a page is used to attach files. It will only display in this dialog box if you have the Finance Upload role. Now you can click the icon to attach a file to this document. The Add Document dialog opens. Click Browse to find the file on your computer. You can attach most types of files, including Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, and images. You have the option to send an email to someone to let them know a file has been attached to this document. Click the Upload button to actually attach this file to the document. The file is now officially attached to document F0012462. After the file is attached to the document, the small red X displays. This icon lets you delete an attached file, but only if you have the Finance Delete role. Please note that you may be assigned both the Upload and Delete roles, one of the roles, or neither of the roles. It depends on the settings from your institution. All you have to do to delete an attached file is to click the red X and to confirm it. You can also attach or delete files after you drill down in the operating statement or balance sheet, as I mentioned in those tutorials. But remember, the link to attach files on those pages will only display if you have the Upload and/or Delete role.